the date of your YouTube channel using short. As much as the use of short videos for your YouTube channel can be useful and effective, the wrong use of short videos is equally harmful and can even destroy your channel. Well, now you may say what the wrong use of video shorts mean. If your short videos you upload are not related to the main topic of your YouTube channel, this is a very big mistake, because by doing this, every subscriber you get will be for the topic of your short video and they will not too interested in your link videos. YouTube gives this signal that your long videos are not attractive, and it causes YouTube not to recommend your long video to anyone, and your view will eventually reach zero, which means the destruction of your channel. So, what is the right way to use YouTube Short? Contrary to the previous case, you should make short video about the main topic of your channel and long video. For example, if your channel is about cooking, then your short video should also be about cooking. For example, in the last video you cooked a new dish, so make a short and explain a little about your long video and tell the audience to go and watch your long video. One secret that can work wonders for you is using short video. For example, about the long video you just explained it. Don't say the original or the main secret. Cut it into the channel and watch it in the long video. With these techniques, you can make a big hook that interested people will definitely watch your long. Guys, I strongly believe that if you want to make a good income, go to my channel and watch the videos that I introduce. With any of those ideas, you can make between 5k to 20k $1,000 monthly income. If you have any question, ask in the comment. Bye.